Hey guys, so welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Blue. As usual, so let's try to see Bitcoin and gold market, what's happening, guys. All right, so a little bit late today, but not a problem. All right, we'll be trying to check on Bitcoin and gold, what's happening around. All right, guys. So hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome everyone. Hi, hello. How are you guys? We'll try to see what's happening with the Bitcoin, guys. All right, okay. So this was the VIP signal that I provided them. Okay, so just give a drop of that is almost 0.76 and again bashed up on the upper side and SL at entry hit it, booked some profits, right? So that was a signal for today. All right, guys. Anyways, let's go back and try to see. All right, what's happening, guys? Okay, so hope everyone's doing. Hi, yeah, a little bit late, Kara, hi. Hello, Kara. How are you doing, Kara? You're doing good? Okay. All right. So recently we have been checking on the Bitcoin, all right? On the I'm still holding one short position from the stop, all right, towards the downside, towards all towards the $77,800 towards the downside. All right. So what we have seen on the Bitcoin is recently the Bitcoin have the last week the Bitcoin have broken down on the downside, and again the Bitcoin right now it have been testing on the retest phase. It is on the retest phase. Recently there was a big pump whereby people started thinking there was a bull, that the bull was never there. Okay, that was just the retest and liquidation from the top. All right, in fact, if it happens to break down from this below, all right, this low, then that will be a bears. Okay, so bear for the short term. All right, then you might like to experience the price falling back all the way towards where, guys, where? Okay, so maybe this can be expected. 72,000 to $73,000 can be expected in coming days. All right, but in fact, if it never gives us the breakout, and if it when it goes for the retest, if it keeps rising from this average on upper side and it breaks through this level, then that will be a totally a bullish. Okay, so bullish on upper side. Okay, guys. And meanwhile, all right, so over here as well. And one thing, if one bullish can be expected once it goes down and clears through an upper side. If it clears on upper side, then that will be a bullish, and we can go all the way towards the upper zone as well. All right, so that can be one bullish move on upper side. Okay, so this will be, so most probably we will be expecting price to fall down and break this levels today, maybe today or tomorrow, maybe, right? So most probably that can be today or tomorrow, right? Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so and we'll go back for the retest on upper side, maybe something like this. All right, so that can be one thing. Kara, you're doing good, huh? Hope you are doing good. Is it audible? Hope this is audible, huh, guys? I didn't check the mic as well. Just hope everyone is doing good, huh? So okay, so this is what we are looking at right now. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. This is a little bit late, but no problem. All right. So weekends, I thought like I will go around and just refresh and come back again. All right, and talk with you all. All right. So let's see if it breaks below this one or not. If it breaks below, then we are going to get a bigger drop on the downside moves. All right, quick moves on the downside, and again, pullback might be expected. Okay, let's see whether this goes for this average point or come down directly. All right, if it comes down directly later on, maybe it will again have to go on upper side. Okay, so let's see, guys, what happens. So let's go back to the smaller time frame, maybe a 15 minutes time frame, guys. All right, so 15 minutes time frame. So we have been seeing all the bear moves and from the, not a bear move, but there is a pullback right now. We cannot totally give a wrong term for the Bitcoin's move right now as a bear, because these have not never passed the retest right now on the downside. Okay, that can be bullish as well, failing this retest. Okay, so let's try to see on a bigger time for the long holders. Okay, where your things are coming in. All right, so for now, so we have seen that the price is, this is third level, whereby the people gets lots of long over here. Don't try to long in this level. Nothing financial advice, but for education purpose only. Don't try to long in this zone. Usually you'll get bashed off in the zone, guys. All right, this third move is always a fake out moves. If it is in Saturday and Sunday, you will get it, but the weekdays, you most probably you may not get this long move. All right, there was a breakout on upper side. Okay, so people must be looking for the long move, but I have been looking for the short position from this level only on this levels, right? On this levels. So all I was checking on a short position only, and we traced one short position from this level to this level. All right. So let's see. Okay, for the bulls one, for the price to go up. Okay, so most probably coming and checking this level. Okay, trying to take out the liquidation from this level can be a good move on the after getting downside only. I can plan for the bull moves. All right, so for now most probably I'll be looking for the short moves only. All right, for now. Okay, so it is breaking down for now. Also, if you happen to check this one, if you have missed from the top, this is the level whereby the bitcoin have already broken out on upper side. Okay, this is retesting it in this level. All right, so going the Bitcoin, going back, this is on 15 minutes. Okay, those who are for the long holders, right, guys? Hey, big fan. How are you? I'm from India. Yes, here you good, Kara. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. So most probably this level is gets lots of fake out, okay, guys. So this level, the third move, 1 2 3 move, always gets people gets alongside, but it always fakes you out towards the downside. But in fact, sometimes only during the weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, you might like to see breakouts on upper side in this third move. All right, in fact that was on the once it have done previously. Okay, but most of the time it will try to fake out. Lots of liquidations will be taken in this levels. All right, guys. So okay, where have you been all day, Ziva? I was like, I just went to trim my hair because like it was like getting too ugly for me, right? Just to make myself refreshed and a little smarter. Okay, so yeah. All right, one liquidation is left. Okay, in this level, if you understand, guys, one liquidation is left in this level, whereby the Bitcoin had to do something like this, and it had to press on upper side. Okay, go on upper side. So usually when you have a W pattern like this, okay, so it should be coming like this and getting a breakout from this level, a small retest there, and breaking out something like this. But it have never done. There is a formation of incomplete structure in this level, guys. Okay, one incomplete formation of structure on the downside. Okay, so this will be taken today or tomorrow or Sunday. Till Sunday this will be, most probably this level should be liquidated. Okay, all right, so those who have long from here, I guess they must be, I think so, not a financial advice though, it should be coming down at towards 78,600 and taking out all the longs we have over here. Then only the price can go back and maybe to retest like this as well, so all the way towards this low zone, that is 81,000 as well. Okay, so if you happen to check on upper side on a bigger time frame, you'll see there is a clear gap left on this levels. All right, it have broken down but no proper retest was done. All right. So one gap is left in the upper side. Okay, most probably in this zone. All right, so meanwhile maybe you can expect for the down move right now. Okay, maybe, and maybe the price later on comes back to this level to test once more. Okay, so even if it's not going directly, later on it will go and test this level once more. So maybe that can be expected till Monday. All right, so this level should be tested once more, $81,948. Remember, guys. All right, so this is what we see. All right. Zivot is laughing a lot. All right. Okay, so most probably in this level there is a breakout and a trend breakout on upper side, guys. If you have checked the trend, okay, you see the trend over here, it is broken out, all right, on the upper side. But you can plan your long also, okay, but it should be breaking above this level, then only it will be confident longs. Imagining that you have their inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. All right, then only you can go for the long on upper side. Okay, if it happens to break out above this level, So where till where you can go the longs, all right? This is on 15 minutes. This is for the people who loves holding a little bit more, all right? So the for scalping, it's coming on the way, all right? So nothing much to worry. So you might like to trace this one, but in fact, if the Bitcoin happens to just get the rejection, keep getting rejecting from this level, the Bitcoin is going to throw all the way towards the downside, okay? So there might be a small move, like maybe directly down towards the downside and liquidating all the head and shoulder pattern over here, plus liquidating who have a W pattern over here, okay, who brought in this W pattern. Usually this W pattern gets liquidated a lot, all right? So over here, you might like to expect price to come down and liquidate these levels, right? So for now, maybe there's $78,400 can be expected on the downside, okay? So this is the level for the liquidations, so, and that will give the breakouts towards the downside as well. All right, guys, okay? That's going to give you all the breakout towards the downside. Though this is a little bit messy, try to understand the market, what it is doing, all right? So if you are going with the market, you will be always right. All right. So most of the time, or not always, but most of the time, you are going to be right if it happens to give the liquidation. So you are planning for the liquidations. All right, in this level. Okay. So I was not aggressively looking for the longs from this level as well. I was looking for the shorts in this level. All right. So from here, I could trace it, but it went back. I booked some profit. It went back and hit my stop loss at entry. All right. And I'm out of the trade. Okay. So right now, if I have to plan my short position, what I will do is, all right, if I have to plan, so over here, let's see, all right. So this is the level whereby price can go to the bullish side, okay? And this is the level getting a rejection from here again and again can throw the price towards the downside. All right, guys. So this is the level. And if it happens to break below this trend, it is going to something like this. It might like to give you all the big drops on the downside. Maybe that you can expect the price around $78,400. And if the price happens to break out on upper side, you might like to expect the price around $82,000. All right, guys. So what you think? Is it on a bull side or a bear side? Okay. So most probably I'm thinking for the liquidation market might plan for liquidation because lots of people they try to buy on the demand zone when there is a trend. This is a trend, right, guys? If you happen to check on a 15 minutes time frame, this is a trend that you have. All right. So people, most of the people will be buying in this zone. So market will be doing the inverse things. All right. So trying to take out all the longs, then only it will try to pull on upper side. So if you take under that concept, the market should be coming down for the liquidations, guys. All right. So trying to take out all the longs, those who have been thinking that there is a head and shoulder pattern, right? Exactly. You can see a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. All right. One thing is head and shoulder pattern. Okay. And one thing is this is a creating a small W in this level. Okay. Two levels of liquidation is over there. So most probably market is going to come to this levels. All right. But we cannot say 100% right now. So when we can say, we can check on the stock charts to confirm it. All right, guys. Okay. So let's get back to the structures, right, guys? So over here, so if the Bitcoin was clearing this one already, so it should be on a buy side, but it is not clearing, getting a rejection again and again. All right. And let's get back to the 5 minutes and try to check it out on this level. All right. So market had created a recent low in this levels, right? So that was a small recent support whereby the Bitcoin have cleared this one. All right. And it is trying to play in a sideways a little bit. All right. Trying to confuse the people, buyers and the sellers, both side in this level, guys. Understand the market. All right. So once more, if the price happens to clear on the upper side and gets below this one, then immediately I'm going to place my short position over there and go boom on a downside. All right, if it closes below this one, all right, because this is the recent low, it have broken down. This is the retest done again, once more getting a close on the downside move that can give me a downside move from here. My long short entry will be here. All right, guys, once it gets rejection from the top. All right, guys, remember, if it doesn't get rejection, if it keeps continuing on upper side, most probably Bitcoin will love to create once something like this. After breaking out, it will break out and create a structure like this. All right. So again, it will play once more. Okay. And later on, if it's not able to pass below this one, it will be a boom buy side. Okay. So this will be the structure formation you must observe in this level. All right, guys. Okay, right now the market have given a downside move right now. Okay, downside move, we can see there is a breakout on a downside. Okay, so market was now never able to break out from the recent resistance it had. All right, on this level it was not able to break out on upper side. Okay, so most probably this can push towards the downside. Right now also it have broken down below this one, got a rejection, and again try to break down, which means if I was there, I will be tracing the short from this level. All right, already. Okay, but I missed this one. All right, so I need to wait for the next confirmations. All right, so I cannot be hurry. If I plan my short from here directly, it will be a little bit risky for me because like my stop loss is going to be a little bit on the upper side, and I'm holding on a straight which is not valid for me. All right. In fact, if the price happens to clears below this one, okay, that can be a good shot for me. All right. Right now it have not broken down, but if it breaks down, that can be one risky trade for me to go down directly towards this zone. All right. So that can be one position, guys. All right, for me. Okay. So nothing much financial advice. Just try to understand the market. Then you try to apply accordingly. All right, guys, so let's try to go back to the 1 minute time frame. What's happening over there? Just some noisy things. Let's try to see. Okay, a little bit sideways moving on. All right, so most probably this is the third level whereby the Bitcoin is faking you out. All right, so on this fake out it might trace you all the way towards this zone as well. All right, most probably in this fake out moves you might like to expect the price pull back in this level. All right, then get on the downside. That is also possible. All right, so pull back a little bit on a breakout on upper side. Okay, so most probably before it goes up it tries to liquidate this one W. Okay, it is trying to create a small sideways move. Just be careful, guys. Over here it will check out both the longs and shorts. Right, so little bit the liquidation will be taken in this W patterns in this level. All right, firstly, and it might like to rise up a little bit again and try to drop you all the way towards the downside. That can be one expected move in these levels. All right, guys. So just be careful. Don't get hurry. Don't big panic. Just don't get run into FOMOs, right, guys? Okay. Just understand the market clearly. Hi. Nalamit. Oh, hello, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. So today it was a little bit late, but I apologize for that one. All right, guys. So I'm back anyways. Okay, so from Monday to Friday session, even a Saturday and Sunday I come, and Saturday usually gets so boring because like the market there will be no volatility at all right, so we have to wait a lot on the market, right, guys? Okay. So most probably if you are tracing for the scalping sessions, after it gets a small liquidation, you might like to trace one scalpings from this downside when it gets on a proper things till this level, that is 0.3%, but most probably I'll be ignoring this one because I don't take small scalping. If it is on breakout, I would love to take it boom on the upper side once it gets breakout, but this is not a breakout which moves very slowly. All right, so most probably you can expect a small drop from this level once more. Okay, so it's scalping, that's also scalping. All right, guys, so small drop on a liquidation drop on a downside moves can be expected from this level. All right, keeping your stop loss over here, small move can be expected, but I'm not taking this one. I'm waiting for the bigger moves if it happens to be give us. All right, guys. So just wait for some time lah. Okay, so before it goes up it will love to take the liquidation from the downside. Okay, lots of support. This support have been tracing once, two, three, four times. Okay, so now once more if it gets a rejection from the top, it's going to blow down on the downside. Okay, but if it happens to break out on upper side, and it may like to remain on upper side as well. All right, try to understand the market, guys. Okay, a little bit sideways as well. All right. Hi, Kadir. Hello, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session, explaining you all the things over here about the Bitcoin and gold. All right, guys, so that you guys understand more. All right, so The main motive of the group is to have fun, guys. All right. And of course, learn and earn, right? So nothing financial advice, but if you try to analyze the market, you will learn a lot from this stream. Okay, guys. So tomorrow you will be seeing a very big move. All right. So tonight, most probably, I'll be expecting a drop down from this level. All right, nothing financial advisor. Getting a rejection. This is my expectation for now. Coming back to this level, take the liquidation out, and Saturday, try to create another sideways move, go up, create a sideways move over here. All right. So and Sundays on one side. All right. So that can be expected in this level. All right. So most probably this is going for the shorter, guys, shorter point. All right. But because of this sideways move, I'm not directly planning a short from here, because anytime the price will love to go and test this level once more. If it tests once more, then that will be a clarification for us to go for the longs or the shorts, right, guys? Hey, Rashing, did 10 trade this month. I made 10 trades, but I am not able to hold big profits. It's not above 1 is to 3. I grew 1 lakh by 95% in 3 days. All right. Sergi, until when will you be online tonight? So I'll be checking on this level where which side it breaks. All right. So I'll be a little bit on the Samir. Okay. So I'll be checking this one. All right. Rupal, hi, welcome, guys, welcome. So you're not able to take the big profits, hold big profits, because you're not able to hold the big profits because of your fund. Maybe you're funding it too much in a single trade, maybe, all right, so that even a small move can give you a fear, like take out, maybe that one. All right. So if you are investing around 10, nothing financial advice, huh? Again, guys, if you're trying to go for a 1 lakh investment, okay, you had a capital of 1 lakh. All right. I made 10 trades, but I'm not able to hold big profit. It's not going above 1 is to 3. It's not going above 1 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is best already, bro. 1 is to 2 is already a good to book profits. Already good one. If you are trying for 1 is to 3, it's best. Because like why I say it is a 1 is to 3 is best is because people after 1 is to 3, most probably they won't be able to get the profit, or they get a lots of, like it, they hold a long after 1 is to 3. Okay, 1 is to 3 means you should be booking already a profits. All right. So people, what they does is their target is 1 is to 3 only, they keep extending their target. Now your target was, you are going to somewhere else, one bazaar, maybe one mall, right, shopping mall, you are going over there, and rather than getting into the mall, you directly going to the another direction again and again, which means something is wrong, right? So maybe you are like not paying attention, or like you are forgetting that why you are going. So these are the things, guys. Okay. So if you are targeting for 1 is to 3, you just go for the 1 is to 3. Okay. If you are targeting 1 is to 2, just target. So within the 1 is to 3 also, I take it 3 to 4 parts of the profits. All right. For me, the partial profit booking is very important. All right. For the lots, those who are taking lot size, all right, I try to ask them to divide into the small lots, and they try to go for the 1 close when the TP1 hits, 2 close when the TP2 hits, when 3 close when the TP3 hits. Right. So you need to break your profits also. Sometimes you will be holding for a big target which is unexpected, and you never go there. All right, never reach over there. All right, 83,760 target. 83,760 target. Okay. Over here. So most probably, just see whether it's breaking out or not. If it breaks out, that will be a target. All right. My target will be $81,955. All right. So maybe you have another analysis. That's okay. Okay. So maybe one target over here, but more times it takes to go up, the more the target will be. That can be possible, but I am not sure whether it is going directly up, or it will love to come down for the liquidation, take out the people who have longs, and then only go on upper side, which means something like this. So that can be also expected. Okay. So let's see which direction it moves. All right. For now, it is giving for the bullish pattern. All right. The pattern is for the bullish, but repeatedly it's getting rejection from the resistance zone, which is this green block. All right, so recent block, it is getting repeatedly rejection again and again and again. So most probably on this third move, so usually people get freaked out, but on the last, if you happens to check on this level, okay, if you happen to check on this level, you have got a good move on upper side. Boom, right? Something like this. Okay, something like this. You have got it. Okay, so but over here, let's see if it breaks out, well and good. Okay, if it breaks out, well and good, but if it doesn't, then you might like to get rejection and drop all the way towards $76,366. All right, guys. So this is the plan. Let's see what it does. All right, we will be watching together, guys. All right, 77,700 in extension. All right, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tomorrow we will be checking on a very big levels, especially towards the evening. Daytime you might not get a very big moves, all right, but towards the evening you might like to see a good moves. Okay, so that is the thing. Before it goes up, I'm expecting price to take the liquidations. All right, firstly, right now it is creating as chaos in these levels, which have been getting rejection top from the top again and again, getting rejection from the down, also from the support level as well. The structure is giving for the short side from this level, whereby it have given for the shorts, it may like to move on upper side as well if it happens to remain on upper side. Okay, so let's see whether we get a good reduction from this level or not. If it gets a reduction from this block and falls down, then that can be a good move on the downside as well. All right, so let's see, guys. Okay, nothing much to worry about. All right, you'll see clearly which side it breaks out. All right, okay, in this zone, if you are planning your longs or short, this will be a chaos trying to remove your SL quickly. All right, either on the longs as well as on the shorts, right, guys? Okay, so right now the volatility is equal on the sellers as well as on the buyers. All right, buyers pushed up, again sellers sold it. Buyers pushed up, sellers sold it. Buyers push up, again it's getting. All right, so let's see, guys. Rupal, hi, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, guys. So one liquidation is left on a downside, okay, and it have created this level. All right, proper liquidation is not taken from the downside yet. Okay, so let's see. Anyways, there are lots of liquidation on upper side as well. All right. So this is the plan whereby people are getting confused and people's stop loss will be heated a lot in this zone. All right, so again, if you try to check in this level, let's go back on a bigger time frame and check it out in this level what's happening, right? So we can get a clear move. That is inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. I have been telling you guys, all right, which means a bullish side. All right, bullish side, but you are never sure it's going for the bullish side or just getting rejection coming down to this level. All right, so most probably I'll be expecting price to move on a downside. All right, so let's see anyways. Okay, we need to break below this one. So over here in the trend, most of the buyers will get in. Okay, just don't. If you are buying it, most probably I'll love to buy once it gets through this block on upper side. Then only it will be the confident for me to go for the when it moves on upper side on a second move, maybe if it gives a again breakout, then I'll just trace on upper side, which is risk free for me. All right, rather than directly going from these levels, right? So over here right now it is creating for the shorter side. Okay, just wait la, don't get panic, don't get FOMO, right, guys? Just need to wait. So if you check on this level, all right, so this is the recent trend that the Bitcoin had. All right, so if you try to check on this small trend, it broke down, went up, got a rejection from the top, right, and again it came down, retested it, couldn't pass below the downside, which is not able to pass, which means it is creating a sideways in these levels right now. Okay, so most probably let's see anyways, we'll be watching together what will happen. All right, guys. Okay, so this will move on a downside, that is scalping on a downside, small move on a downside, can be expected from this level towards the downside. Okay guys, small move. Okay, that can give you all towards the zone, maybe small move can be expected. Okay, towards the downside. All right guys, small move can be expected from the downside moves. I'm not taking any trades on this levels. Once it gets through on upper side or downside, then I will be taking the one trade. Okay guys, so this is on a downside move guys. All right, this will throw the price, take out this liquidation and plan again on upper side once more. Okay, this is the downside move guys. Okay, so yes, it will come down below this level, take out the liquidation from here, again it will try to go up again once more. All right. All right guys, so over here don't get confused, we will be getting confusion, lots of people will get confused. Okay, so just try to check with a big uh, clear minds over here. Don't just forget everything. All right, forget everything. Okay, this is on downside move right now. This will drag you towards the, maybe try to take out all the short longs from here as well. Okay, let's see how far it moves. This is giving a downside move. All right, but that cannot be very far, I guess. Okay, so this is a downside move guys. It will try to took out this one. All right, let's see if it take out this one as well. All right, so that is a downside move. I'm not taking the shots out right now. All right, there was a move from these levels towards the downside. Maybe this will try to check out this one as well. If it goes up again, it will create a sideways move. But if it happens to come down, this will give you all the way. Maybe that can be all the way towards the downside as well. We never knows, because these have already broken down from this level. All right, where is it? If you know, if you are checking on a 5 minutes time frame, you have already broken down on a downside. Okay, downside you have broken out. All right, this one, this one again. Once it again, when it goes up and press this one, get rejection once more, comes below this one, I'll directly short it, come down below. All right, like this. Once it gets rejection from the top, maybe that will have to give one breakout on upper side as well. And once it comes to this zone, I'm going to short it and come down. But in fact, if the price happens to go up from here, all right, so from here on upper side rather than coming down, all right, if it happens to get rejection on upper side, I'll love to long it. All right, a little bit on upper side. Okay, so let's see guys. Anyways, all right, right now this is on sideways move, even a small. Now it will move on upper side most probably guys, a little bit on upper side. This should be clearing this one a little bit on downside. Okay, so those who have long from here, they will be taken out, right? This should be moving a little bit downside, then only should be moving in upper. Okay, so I'm not taking all the shots over here, longs over here. Once it gets cleared, then only I will be love to take it. Okay. This is a down move right now. Scalpers can, only the scalpers can get it. Small quick move, quick up, quick move, quick up. If you are holding for the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, just wait, need to wait a bit. All right. In the sideways box guys, all right, once it lose this support, it is going to downside. Most probably this is going to drag you all the way towards the zone. Maybe it will take some time. Let's see anyways guys. All right, so when this sideways move gets clear, drag it a little bit low. W pattern guys, again over here, W pattern. Okay, so most probably, rather than this W pattern, rather than going up like this, okay, like this, if it happens to come down directly, which means we are moving a little bit upper side. Okay, So this W pattern where how it should be. W pattern shouldn't lose this one, but people have not it price have not brought it, but people have not taken a buy from this zone. So it directly came down to this level. Either that can make you all the sideways move again, okay? Sideways move or break out on the upper side. Okay, so let's see guys. Just don't get confused, okay? According to the structure, you need to follow which side you should be moving. Just check on those levels. If you're checking on a 5 minutes time frame, you'll see clearly a W pattern over here, double bottom pattern. Okay, so something is doing, market is doing something a little bit careful, guys. Over here, it should be, it didn't give first thing, it didn't give the full structure on upper side. Okay, the full formation wasn't there. All right, so on over here as well, rather than going up from here, buyers never took interest in this level. All right, buyers never took interest. Okay, so market directly dropped down. Maybe it will love to create another W's over here and create something like this. All right, so a little bit sideways. Just wait, okay guys, just wait. So if you plan inside this one, your stop loss will be gone most of the time. If you plan in the wrong directions, in the middle, maybe like that. Okay. One W pattern was there. The full formation of the structure is incomplete in this upper side, which means something is wrong. All right, so maybe that can create you sideways. Okay, or market is doing something fishy in these levels. All right, it is forming an incomplete formation of the structures. W pattern should be complete, guys. Come on, something like this, right? Complete. Okay, but right now this is this much. Came down again, trying to make a small W pattern over here. Something like this. So just wait. All right, let's see what it does. The incomplete formation of the structures in this level, and directly came down, which means price is going to test this level once more. All right, this level, this level should be tested once more, guys. Just wait for that one. Okay. Let the structure be complete. Right now you cannot define long or short because of the incomplete formation of the structure, plus it is 11 creating another sideways move in these levels. All right, so let's see what it does over here. Now we need to count this W pattern. Now forget about the previous one. Okay, so again it will try to go up. If it gives a proper structure over here, it will be defined over here only, whether it gets downside or upper side. Okay, so just wait for that one, guys. All right. From this levels, if it goes up, breaks below this one, well and good. All right, doesn't breaks, and if it happens to stay above and plants on upper side, that will be long side for the short term. All right. Don't get confused now, guys. Don't get confused. Hi. Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. All right. This is Friday session, a little bit late. All right, because like Saturday and Sunday, usually people gets lots of off time. So let's spend some time understanding the market today. All right. Nothing financial advice, just trying to make you understand what's happening in the market. That's all. A little bit sideways. We are on the trend support, right? Right now, we're in the trend support. One thing is, another thing is market trying to give you all the bull side, okay? Which means market, most of the people will be buying in these levels, and market does always the opposite. Just be careful. All right. Nothing financial advice though. All right. Let's see. So what happens in the double what happens with the when there is an inverted head and shoulder pattern, guys? What happens? It should be moving up, right? Let's see it moves up or down. All right. Okay. I missed this long. Just wait what it does. Check it well. All right. So that next time also it will be helpful for you all when you analyze in this level. Price is getting shrink over here now. Market is planning different. Just wait, guys. Patience, patience. You cannot do anything over here, guys. Nothing financial advice, guys. Price is about to. It's making some shrink handles like this. Mhm. Bella Nasha, Bella Home. Is it perfect, guys? This is nothing technical, guys. Whenever I'm confused, I try to use this pattern of the triangle. Sometimes it gives, sometimes correct. All right. For 9%, not that. Let's see, guys, which side it moves. Nothing technical, huh? This is nothing technical, guys. Just I'm observing something over here. If you are confused, or else breaks out from this level, just wait for the long position, right? Out below this one, just wait for the short position. Just again, guys, let's see where it moves. All right, because this is creating confusions for the peoples right now. Price getting screened, right, guys? I just try to do some analysis over here. That can be good analysis as well as a bad analysis. Nothing technical, all right? Nothing financial advice. Just to understand. पहला नशा पहला हुआ पहला प्यार है पहला इंतजार कर लो getting rejection from the 5 minutes breakout. Don't mind my drawings, guys. Right, getting rejection from this level can send you all the way towards downside as well. It's 1%. पहला नशा पहला हुआ let's see if we get a one shot position from here, guys. Okay. Because we remain within, if it happens to get above this average point or this horizontal support, then the price is moving towards this zone upper side. Okay, so most probably this will be decided in this average point, whereby it can drop all the way towards downside, or just this is on 1 minute analysis. Okay, so 1 minute analysis cannot throw the price very far, in fact, but for the quick one, all right, those who love quick profits, those who love quick profits. If it breaks my this one, it's going to come down. Hi, Pramit, Pramit. Hello, hello, welcome, brother, welcome, welcome, welcome. One credit, incomplete formation of W pattern again once more. Lovely, superb, lovely, superb, lovely, super, super. That is superb, superb, lovely, superb. This is level. This can give you the short position or the quick shot. Missed this one. Come on, once more, pump it. Did it break below? No, right? Didn't break. Didn't break any lift. No, couldn't break. कर लूं तुम्हें let it break out. Move up, move up, move up. Don't react, guys. Yes. I'm just checking on one thing over here. Market very volatile, lovely, superb. Will break out downside, no move yet, not yet, not yet. Let's see if it. Patience, patience, patience. up, move it. Move it, move it. Where you, dear friend? I'm from I'm from Bhutan, brother. From it from it Ching, I'm from Bhutan. If you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And what kind of support, brother? What kind of support do you require? All right, just wait. Nothing much, guys. Patience, patience over here. Right now, no breakdown is given. Let us see if it breaks down below this one. Then we will confirm it. All right. Lots of things you are going to learn over here, guys. Okay. Lots of things you are going to learn. Okay. Nothing much to worry, guys. All right. As long as I'm there, it's not creating any position for the shots right now. You need to break down, go up and retest it. Then we can plan one shot from here after it gets blown out on upper side. No short position right now. So if you check on 5 minutes time frame, guys, so we are over here only, okay? So nothing much to worry. All right. See if it breaks out in this level or not. 1 minute. Okay. Breaking down, which is lovely. Just break it down, close it down. If it breaks down, market will again come down. Breaking down, guys. Let it close below. Lovely one. Okay, broke down. All right, not proper breakdown is given right now. Okay, that's lovely. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Horizontal support. It had just broke down a little bit. All right. No, right now it's just giving a breakdown, not a retest. I am not giving you all direct direction over here, but you will know it. All right. All right. It haven't given any retest in the zone. I'll wait for this move on upper high. Breakdown given, guys. Breakdown is given. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Without retest, I cannot take this one because without retest means anytime price can come up again. risky for me. Confident trade will be confident trade. Okay, guys. If you are targeting this, if you are targeting my 1.19 percentage, all right, which becomes your 956, okay, pips. All right, if you are targeting this one, if you are waiting for the confident trade, most probably you need to wait for the price to go up and come down below this level. All right, that can give you all the confident trade on the downside till this level. Breakdown given and is playing inside right now. Hi, Pramit. Hello. If it goes directly without retest, I'm not going to short it, even though if it goes down. Okay, this will be risky. If the retest is not done after the breakout, no trade will be taken. All right. Anytime price will come up and again do the retest. Just wait and see, guys. Nothing much to be worried over here. Boom, boom. Need to move up. Then only it will be possible for me to take. It needs to move up, guys. For longs, it is. I cannot take the retest long. Okay, so it moves up 0.3 percentage on upper side. If it falls without retest, what to do, right? Boom! Come on, move it. Shake, shake it up. More it plays around, higher it will move. Moves from here, it will be $80,547. 0.51, falling without moving up. Not good lah. No, I don't enter buyer in this zone. What I observed is for now on the upper trend, the recent uh, support was broken down, creating a downside move. All right. So most probably I'll be waiting for the price to move up for the retest. Okay. And to take out the people who have short in this level. Okay. So price will be moving up, but from where it is moving up, it will be a little bit difficult. All right. People plans long from here also, but for the liquidation, if they takes it, they takes long from here as well. It goes up, but I don't take usually. Price will go up to retest it. Okay. Take out the people who have shots from here firstly. All right. Okay. So over here, price was getting squeezed. All right. So which means price is not able to break out on one side. So it will try to take out long as well as the short. Okay. Concept is something like this. Price is getting squeezed, is not able to decide which side it is moving. So what the market does is when there is a formation of triangle like this, the market tries to take out the long as well as short. You understand it? Okay. So firstly, over here, the position is given for the shorts right now, but price will move up. Okay, move up and try to take out this shots. All right, those who have shots. Okay, so later on, again, price will come down and take out all the people who have the longs from this level. All right, so this is what it calls, right, in a sideways move or whenever there is price shrink. Usually it tries to, whenever people trades, they try to take out the shorts as well as the longs. But I don't trade when it is trying to take out the longs over here, because though it is moving over here on the upper side, sometimes we never knows it directly moves down or maybe some plays around and move up. So I don't take, but usually people, those who are tracing liquidation, they takes as well. All right, so I take certain trade only, which is okay for me, but we are sure that right now almost 60% sure I cannot give you 100%, nothing financial advice. Okay guys, again, don't take it as a financial advice. Okay, so almost 60 to 70% the price needs to move up and take out all the shorts position who have short positions. All right, it have already created for the short position, but before it moves down it needs to create all the people who have the shorts from the upper side. Okay guys, this is the concept you have to take in. All right, so till where it can move I also don't know. All right, maybe till this level or boom on upper side and shrink. Okay, so maybe that can be till this level as well. So 0.7 can be traced, right guys? This one can be traced. Okay, so if you are managing the risks, you might like to get a good uh, profits, but if you're not able to manage the risks, then you might like to get bashed off as well. But you should be a bit quick when you're taking the scalpings. All right, so you should understand the market, then trade it accordingly. I take my risks, I calculate my risks, and I plan my trades. Okay, I calculate firstly my risks, then only I plan my trades. Okay, why I don't take this trade is one thing: we are at the top resistance zone. Okay, below the resistance zone. Okay, you are planning on the long side means anytime you will get bashed off. All right. Okay, so these are the things you have to take into considerations. All right. So right now it had done a small retest in this level. It can directly dump you down as well. All right. Well, you have maybe firstly go like this and dump go up as well. All right. So I don't take this trade, guys. Okay. Nothing financial advice, huh, guys. Okay. Nothing financial advice, but make sure that it needs to take out long as well as short from these levels. All right. All the longs and the shorts will be taken out from this level. All right. Just check it right now. We'll be watching together, guys. Okay, so next time you also understand, whenever there is a formation of try to, when the price is getting squeezed like this, you try to understand it will usually tries to take out the longs as well as the shorts. All right, usually it plants. All right, usually it plants. Let's see which side it is taking out right now. Maybe that can be directly up, going up and taking out the short position, or directly coming down and taking the long position as well. All right, most probably I'm thinking it might take right now, since it's an upper side, might take the shorts first, then move down to take all the longs out. All right, but if I happen to trace one long shots from here, especially from this zone, all right, from this zone, then I'm going to get a big bashing trades in this level, whereby I'll be shorting below this resistance zone and coming all the way towards this zone. All right, okay, that can be 2% profit for me. All right guys, 2% profit. But in fact, if I get a breakout on this downside and get a good retest in this level, it will be lovely for me to short it, right guys? Okay. If I don't get a setup from here, I don't short. All right. But if I get set up, it will be a big profit, good move for me. I take it. All right, guys, that's all. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Pramit. Brother, I don't understand everything you explain, but happy to listen to your style of explanation. It's okay, brother. One day you'll understand. Try to try to play more with the market. Try to stay more with the market. We'll try to understand. All right, guys. Kangaroo, nice explanation. Kangaroo, wow. Okay, so brother, I don't know explanation. Wow, lots of comments. Same from it. Okay, guys, just understand the market. All right, just try to understand the market, what it does. Let's see what it does. Maybe directly short also possible in this level. Okay, let's see. Double top formed. All right. So I have a three kind of trade. One is risky trade, one is moderate trade, and one is confident trade. All right. So confident trade, if I have to wait for the confident trade, if I'm planning for short right now, if it happens to directly come below this one, I can directly short and go boom down. All right. That can be one confident trade for me because that is forming, getting rejection, broke down. Okay, it broke down, created a short position over here. All right, one short position was created and it went for the retest. Okay, and again breaking down from the retest means, which means short positions, right? But I don't take over here. I take once it clears all the noise, comes down clearly, then only I take it. Okay, but now market needs to go for the bigger retest. So this levels, more it times takes over here, more it can pump up. All right, all right. That can be expected. Okay, nothing financial advice. Okay, guys, what I'm explaining is just for the education purpose only. All right, guys, don't take it as a financial advice and get bashed off and say, Dragon, you're nonsense, come on. So I will be most probably waiting for one short position from this level, so it gives me huge profits. All right, some people they take from here also, but I don't take something over here. Okay, so usually in the past when I was doing scalping with people in the live stream, I used to take this move as well from this level and try to give them the profits, but sometimes it was getting riskier. All right, sometimes without giving a big proper moves it used to come down. All right, so after getting through this one I used to give them from the upper level. I used to give them the long setup, okay, in the past. All right, especially when it's not in this level. So once it get passed through, then I used to give them and they drag a quick profits over here, that is of 0.54, and they are happy. All right, because like right now it is not passing above the average. If it passes above the average, that is well and good. All right, if it's not passing above the average, then cannot take. All right. Let's see. Okay, guys, what it does. Just watch. We will be watching it live. Okay. So this will be information for you all next time as well. Okay. You're a genius. Okay, brother. In yet people giving trade openly. Why you saying I don't give financial advice? No, I just got a warning from the YouTube. All right. So they banned me for one week. Because like in the past, what I was doing was I was asking people to, whenever they were set up, I asked people, everyone who was watching in the live streams, everyone, all right, buy over here, sell over here, boom, boom, boom. I used to do that one, okay, and the notice reached, and they banned me for one week because they understand English, they don't understand other language. Okay. So it's when I explain in English, and it's easier for the tracer to trace whatever I'm speaking, guys. All right. Okay. Especially in the past, I used to do that one months ago. Before, I used to say that for the people who are watching, just buy it, la, sell it, buy it, sell it. Come on the YouTube itself, right? When I said get set up, boom, buy it, boom, boom. That was the last 1 month and one Sunday. That was Saturday, I guess. So that was a huge move, almost a 2 to 3% move on upper side. Everyone was waiting over there, and I said that to buy. That night I got my video was removed from the YouTube, and they banned me for a week. I couldn't, and I always, because this is not a good thing. Okay, we need to follow the YouTube's policy as well, the content creations, everything, right, guys? Okay, so I don't say buy it, sell it over here. This is for the education, because like YouTube also wants us to go for the education purpose only. All right, nothing financial advice. All right, so we need to respect that terms for them. Okay. No, 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 no. When I was about to create a new channel, there was a notification again. The mail, I received the mail. If I create a new channel, then my channel will be banned forever. Okay, so I just created a 1 month ago and just got a ban. Okay, so which means I'm not that what to say now. I wasn't very following the rules, right? So because of that one, maybe, right, guys? Okay, follow the instruction carefully, guys. If you don't follow instruction carefully, nothing binds you, guys. So please follow careful. All right, brother. I don't understand. Okay, then you take your trade. We will copy as you policy, not broken. So what I did was I tried to create a Telegram channel, and on that time I created a small VIP group as well for the $20, and I tried to give only the potential trade over there. All right, so in a day 2 to 3 trades with video explanation I give them, because like I was having 1 week holiday. I don't know what to do over there. All right. Okay. Okay, coming down, it broke down. Let's wait. Given a small retest from the double top in this level, one broke down was given, retest passed. Okay, on downside, breaking down. So this is why I don't take trades in this level. All right, sometimes without giving an a proper retest on upper side, it just falls down, something like this. Okay? I don't take. If it was on upper side, that will be confident trade. All right. So it did a retest on this level. Small retest was done, and that gave a position towards the downside. So it is falling now from lower levels. Wait. This is creating a short position now, guys. Right now, broke down at a retest, couldn't take the liquidation from the top, got a rejection towards the downside, and creating a short positions. All right, so it couldn't. One thing, guys, understand, if it was able to take a good liquidation from upper side, it would have thrown the price very far towards the downside. It is not taking any liquidation on upper side, which means these shorts have already in profits. This people who have lots of shorts, maybe millions of dollars over here, okay, they would have shorted. So we need to divide our profits with the so many millions of people over there. All right. So this move cannot be very long towards the downside. Okay. Without liquidation, it cannot throw price downside very far. Once, if it was taking the liquidation, market would have enough price, enough money pay you off. All right, those who are taking shots. Okay, which means market can go a little bit long as well. Won't play you around much. Okay, after the liquidation, concept of liquidation is market firstly needs to have profit. Okay, then only it can play you. Wow, what a candle is forming over here, guys. What the candle is forming over here, guys. Okay, if it happens to come down, I would love to short it and go down. All right, so that will be my target will be short. My target will be very short, maybe only to till this level only, maybe. Okay, if it happens to come down, okay, guys, you understand, come down. Otherwise, if it happens to go up from this average point, now, if it happens to pass above this average point and upper side, you will get a good move on upper side. That might trace you 0.55 percentage on upper side. Okay, so what it have done right now, market. So if you are trying to check in this level of 5 minutes, let me delete this one for you all so it doesn't look messy in this level. Okay, only two things right now. What we can do, if market comes below this one, I just short it. If a market past this average point, just long it. That's the only thing we can do right now. Okay, market created a position for the shorts, but it needs to take the liquidations from the up first. Okay, then only it can give you all the bigger move on the downside. So if you forget about this one right now, over here what the market did is, if you're trying to observe it, let me delete this one as well for now. Okay, so if you happen to check in this level, just observe these two blocks only. The market created a W pattern. Okay, and what it did, it got a rejection from, it created a small wink over here as we have expected only. All right, that we have expected, created a strong wing, created a short position over here. Okay, short position, one short position was created. Okay, now if it happens to get rejection and creates, goes below this one, that will be a short position, right? But if it happens to continuously move up, all right, move up, that will be going for the liquidation, which can be a long position as well. Quick liquidation will be taken, boom, down, right? But even if it comes directly down, it's okay for me to short it. All right, now clearing downside, getting rejection from this level and clearing downside will be a short position for me, guys. If it happens to again, rather than closing below this block, it should be, this is the support, recent support you have. If it is not closing below this one, it will be again, if it gets rejection from here again it will try to create sideways and move up. All right, it breaks out from this level. So you try to understand this level so carefully, guys. Only two things I can do it right now. If it passes up from this average point, just long. If it gets on a downside below this level, just short, right? But if it happens to remain within this block, these two blocks, which will be sideways within this block, right? Again, it will try to, if it gets a rejection from here, pass up that, pass upper side, still I can go for the one upper side long. All right. So what, this is how you understand this structure, guys. Those who is those, for those who are new in this, uh, don't understand those things. All right. Let's see if it passes the pop or not, or get rejection and dump down. All right. Sometimes dump can be done. If there is a liquidation, I can expect the price to fall this level. Right. If there is a liquidation, you will get. But one thing, guys, if it goes up on upper side, I can plan my short from this level and gets a huge profit. All right. So usually I take very few trades. Okay. I plan from the whenever there is huge. All right. Whenever there is huge. So this is a just directional moves right now. See which side it moves. Right now the position is given for the shots. Okay. Make sure it is coming down and breaking below this one. All right. Position is given for the shots, but most probably it will try to go up and take out all the longs who have shots, okay, from the upper side, guys, maybe, right? Try to go up and liquidate from this level. All right. See if it breaks out on upper side or not. If it gives breakout on upper side, you may like to receive a quick buy zone on upper side. Okay, guys, quick buy zone on upper side, which will try to give you all the 0.6 percentage. All right, 0.6 percentage on upper side. Let's see what it does. Fix you around, drops you. Price have already, the pattern is already given for the short side analyze. Pattern is given for the short side. You just observe whether it's getting breakdown on a downside or getting an upper side. All right. So most probably it will try to take out both the longs and short. That's all. All right. Try to take out the both longs and short on this level. So it is always for me to good to wait for the these two levels, whichever side it goes, just short it or long it from that level, I get a bigger profit. Okay, I hardly take this one. How far Thailand from Bhutan? It is just 2 hours. Yeah, 2.5 hours maybe. Yeah, it's 2.5 hours from the air, not by road. From here it's 2.5 hours. Okay, not by road, not by road. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए ये बंधन. Yeah, this is 1.5 2 hours, 2.5 hours, right, from my zone. What is it? Video. ये बंधन. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm. W pattern, lovely. Observe it well whether this closes downside or not. Okay. If it gets rejection from here, move up in this level, again it will be buy position. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, bhai, you know Hindi? Ah, I know Hindi, bro. I know Hindi. I know. I watch movies, bro. Bollywood movies. Again, sideways. Soon. It's about to give one directions, guys. Just once we get out of this box, it will be easier for us to go for a long or the shots usually. All right. 0.6 percentage and upper side, downside 1.1 percentage. Better to move downside right now. You get a huge profit. Nothing financial advice, okay, guys. हमको आता है bro. हिंदी आता है. हिंदी भी आता है. Lots of language, multilinguistic. This can be also one position, but risky one, guys. If it directly comes down, breaks below this one, because this is the level whereby you can convert your bull side towards the bear side. Your stop loss should be so close over here, right, guys? Close over here, because one thing is they're very risky, guys. This is very risky, but you are going to have small stop loss. Okay, so if it happens to close, comes down and close below this one, that is short, right? For us, that is short. Okay, but if it comes down and get reduction from here and moves up, that's going to be long for you all right? Very risky, but small stop loss if you are calculating your risks. Very small stop loss. Okay, so very risky. If it gets downside, very risky for you all. Okay, that can be also on scalping. Nothing financial advice, guys. Don't try to make it as a, don't think as a financial advice. Okay, breaks out on upper side from this, because like it is never advisable for me to take a long from this level. All right, I always take when it gets through the resistance zone, so it is faster for you all as well. All right, but one thing, if it happens to come down and breaks you below this one, this is going to be, but your stop loss is going to be very short in the zone, right? So that is one level, all right, for you all. And TP, very risky, guys, very risky, not a fine, not advisable, all right, because if it turns out it is turn out towards the downside from here, this is converting the bull side towards the bear side. But advantage is what you have is you have a bull side at the bear side to be cleared before it moves down. All right, so that is the only advantage you have. Okay, and the liquidation, which is called liquidation, right? Very risky this trade. All right, so if you are confident, if you want to quick, just plan. I would love to plan from this level. If I was there, it's just a small one. All right, because if it gets below this one, this below, so this short is going to come over here. All right, short is going to come over here. Even if you're planning with a small stop loss, if you're calculating only the risks, okay, maybe from this level. All right, small stop loss, and that can be one level whereby you can plan. Because why this is risky is, okay, why this is risky, because this is already broken down towards the downside. Okay, one thing, they are broken down on a downside. Okay, and done one retest. Okay, retest, broke out again. So last retest is left. Okay, maybe that can trace you all the way towards the this level as well. All right, so that target can be this one. Very risky, don't get disappointed, guys. Very risky. 80,820. All right, and stop loss just small one, maybe 80,026. All right, very risky, because if it gets reaction from here, you are going to get dumped, right? Only advantage you have is liquidation, take out all the shorts position from here. All right, that is only the advantage you have in this level. But from here, it is going to be very boom, maybe, right? Yeah, no people in YouTube give trade openly for education. You know, people in YouTube give trade openly for education purpose. Bro, I need advice in paper trading, understand? Paper trading is per myth, per myth. Paper trading is for strategy is okay. All right. For strategy, it is okay, but for discipline, strategy is only 20% in a trading field, guys. Okay, strategy is only 20% in a trading field. Rest is all discipline, emotion, and your system. All right, how you are doing it, risk management, fund management. So for 20%, you can do from the paper trading only. Your strategy, build your strategy, do the back test, everything. Emotional, you'll get only when you trade with a real amount, right? So, so most probably to learn your discipline, emotion, risk management, fund management, everything, you need to go for the real trading only. All right, and try to understand your risks. All right, for here, for me, it is very risky trade. Okay, because if you are passing above this level, confident trade. Okay, something like that. All right, you try to understand where it is getting riskier for you and where when it is getting confident for you. All right, so there will be a confident trade as well as risky trade. Okay, so if you are able to understand these things, it will be very easy for you. Okay, so 20% you can do from the paper trading, but for the 80% you have to do with the real amount only. That's the fact. Okay, that's the fact. So people don't like, but that's a fact of what to do. Yes. Okay. Because the real thing you cannot get it from the paper trading. Real thing you cannot get it from the paper trading. So you do the paper trading, come to the market, single trade will take you out. So this is the thing. Okay, take you out from the market. So you won't be having any risk management. If you are having risk management sometimes, okay. So people for here, okay, risky trade, I always try to go with a small fund, right? Moderate trade, okay type, and normal trade, the confusing trade, I go with my normal fund. Okay, this is what I do usually. All right, this is risky. I try to go with the small fund earner because getting got bashed, we put high probability of getting bashed, right? So you already know it's a risky, and yeah, so you try to get small losses. That's all. All right. Mhm. It's 12:20 in my zone, guys. It's 12:20. Let's see if it breaks out this average or not. The shorts get ready to get removed, maybe. Quick one, boom, on upper side, maybe. Nothing financial advice. Okay, guys. I have a link in the description box. You can join over there. I have a link in a bio also. Okay, you can join over there. If it gets to rejection and come down, it's the level whereby you can go for the shots. I'm spending ample of time in YouTube today because tomorrow is usually it's get bored, right? Saturday. All right. So I'll be coming a little bit late. All right. And and we'll try to catch a little bit last momentum. Okay. The volatility of the last one. All right. We didn't take out short right now. Let's see. Need to take out one, two, this level. We'll have shots. Mm, this level, people have shots. Okay. They're holding from long yesterday only. Boom. Come on. Boom. Little bit. Boom. Yeah. Come on. Should be up. Boom. Why no boom? From this level, it is going to be short. Falls back. But you have a good profit on the downside. If it gets in the down over here, you have a bigger profits. So that's going to be Saturday. Saturday, usually you'll be having it within a sideways box only, guys. Sideways, you'll try to get a sideways on Saturday. So most probably tomorrow's sideways is going to be mm, tomorrow's sideways. Tomorrow's sideways. Just two block, maybe, right? Tomorrow's sideways should be in decision point whether it should break out or not break down. Risky, risky, very risky. But one thing what I have observed is risky trade always comes with a good rewards. That's the fact. What you eating from the hour, bro? I'm having pan, brother. Pan. Tomorrow gift rate which I hold for now. Tomorrow? Tomorrow will be sideways, brother. Saturday there won't be any volume. So I'm staying a little bit late just to catch few volumes. Alright. Tomorrow I will be getting late trades on. Tomorrow there won't be much volume, I guess. Let's see if it gets rejection from this level and breaks down below this level. Tomorrow will be on sideways move. Maybe we can see this level, this level. 4.6.3. Tomorrow we are still here. Tomorrow we will be still here, I guess. This level. But deciding whether to move up or down. Level or leave it down. Never knows, guys. Okay. Can't predict anything for now. For tomorrow. No prediction. No analysis. We never knows what will happen tonight, right? What you're eating from long long hour. Okay, coming back. Shots. Get ready in these levels. Let's see if it breaks down or not. If it remains up, well and good. Sideways, sideways. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, guys. Let's see someone getting bashed off, right? So let's. So today the main planning will be bashing off the shots, bashing off the longs. That's all right. Bashing off ourselves. Why this is not taken out? Not pushing it. Market not having volume to push it up. Я выступать чили. Качи. Что ты тиру му обатимо? Не имеете. Тинжа. Оф пежеда. Тинжа. Off pita. Kimishingan pon yen myong. Pon yustung. Always chigi belderang anamisami. Lights gone, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Ah, just show. Appreciate your effort, bro. Thank you, brother. It is like 12:33, 12:33 a.m. guys. Just watching the market with you all. Those who are interested, okay? Because I spent today, I had a little bit of work in the daytime. I couldn't spend time with you all. All right. The quality of information you provide is unmatched. You are like a rare gem that you was hidden away, but your brilliance and insight are now finally getting spotlight. It is up. Thank you, Pramit. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. All right. I'm trying my best to help people. That's all. I don't have anything. People have been thinking like I'm just working for the monetization content creations. All right. But there is no available option for me to monetize in my country. All right. That's all. Okay. There is no available things for me to get monetized. That's all. I'm just trying my best to help you all out. All right. Check on the YouTube. There is no available. My country is not available there. That's all right. Okay, getting back. Rejection. You're okay within this block. Okay. Once it get below this one, it is going to be bearish, guys. You understand it? All right. This is going to be bearish once it gets below this my block. It will be bearish and it will come to this level, guys. Not trying to remove shots right now. Shots are safe right now. Okay, no problem. We earn from trade, but yeah, that is no problem. I'm not aggressive towards the trade as well. People usually trades a lot, but for me, one two trades in a day, that's fine. I make few dollars, few hundreds dollars, right? Then I'm fine with that one. I'm not that aggressive. I don't have a big dreams. I'm simple. So know what you do, right? Do what you know. Know what you do, right? Do what you know. That's all. All right. Be happy lah. Positions getting now for the returning for the shots or just seconds. Okay. This is a risky trade, guys. Got a broke down on the downside. One small retest done, not proper retest done yet in this level. धीरे धीरे प्यार का बढ़ाना है. Let the market get out of this zone. It's playing out too much in the zone right now. Nice rejection from the top, in fact. Mm. All right, coming for the downside. Get ready in this level, guys. Let it close below. Mm. Nothing financial advice now, guys. Don't take it as financial advice and get passed off. All right. First TP towards this zone gets extend. Once what I do is when I take a short position from this level, all right. Once it reaches this level, I book some profit. Then I go towards the downside. Okay, that's what I do. All right. Above this block, no problem. But once it gets down from this block, that will be bearish. You have to understand that. All right. So always just above this block is no problem, guys. This block, above this block, longs, you are good. All right. Below this block, shorts will take over the longs. Okay, that's all. When I will profitable, I do don't trade every day. When I will profitable, I okay. People says that, but when you are addictive to the trades, then people happens to trade whenever they see the charts. That is addiction in the beginning phase. All right, people usually gets that addictions, which is not good at all. All right. But once you get experience in that field and you forget about the money over there, just follow the setups and you'll forget it everything, guys. Okay, you won't trade that much. All right. You'll be okay. Sometimes I take only one trade in a day, sometimes I don't take at all. Whenever the market conditions are good, not confusing, good setups, I take it usually. All right. But when the market conditions are very not good, right, so it is very I don't take it. All right, I skip some days. All right. Skip it. Oh my god. My leg. Oh, football. That bro. He plays like a Ronaldo. That's it, guys. This long will be converted to the short from here. I had a football match yesterday, so my legs are paining right now. Very much. Yes, darling. Darling baby. Okay. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Come on. Close it down. Close it one step down. 0.07 percentage on the downside. Not yet. Above green, above this green block, this levels is still good. Okay. Below this green block only, the bears will get in. Still good for the buyers. Good for the buyers yet. Patience, patience, patience. There is BTC, BTC USD, brother. BTC. This is on BTC USD. All right. Just waiting for the one side of price to get bashed off. All right. I am ahead of you by 10 or 15 seconds. Always. You're ahead of you by 10 to 15 seconds. Meaning? What do you mean? I don't understand. Your timing? Mm. The candles forms after me. Oh, is it? Is it? Yep, my chart candles forms after yours. The chart candles forms after yours. Oh, that means you're ahead for 15 seconds. How is it possible? How is it possible? Why trading view? Why trading view is giving me a doing a partiality between you and me. I'm using accents. Oh, all right, all right. Okay, okay. That's the difference of exchange because this is on uh OKX OKX wallet price exchange price right now. Oh, maybe because of that one. All right. Hope it's all right. Okay, brother. Okay, okay. All right. Mhm. Oh, I had a mentorship program as well. Just forgot. Hey, Rachel, so sorry I was on the live and I couldn't contact you. Let's do tomorrow. Okay, so daytime we'll have ample of time. All right. So tomorrow your holiday, right? So I just came back from the town. I stayed on live and a little bit long. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. So nothing much to worry. So Saturday and Sunday is usually a holiday. Tomorrow is off, right? But we'll do it. Okay? Let me know, right? Spend around 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay. So you can message me or I will message you, all right? Just forgot. Come on. Crazy man. Let's see what price does. Creating today, starting at today, it started creating a sideways move. Friday should be okay. Firstly, it got a chaos for the people over here, shrinking it up and down, right? And try to create a chaos on this level. So this was a risky trade, okay? Risky trade. Short it once it goes down below this one. I'm going to take this position as well. All right, especially till this level. If it gets below this block. Getting ready on the mark. Get set. Go. Let it close below. Oh my god. Shit. Sorry, fake breakup. No, this this was never a fake breakout. One thing is, oh, and the downside, you mean? Upper side, this was just a tracing on the liquidation upper side, which I told you all. This will be a risky trade from here. But most probably, if it was taking out from getting out from this average point, it will throw you down upper side. Over here, it will play a lot, all right? Play a lot. Till over here, green block, it is good for the longs, okay? Good for the longs. Above this block is good for the longs. But once it gets below this block, bear will control it, all right? Until and unless you are above this block, you are good for the longs, okay? But most probably when I open my trade is for this in the past when I used to open is when I get average. This is the resistance, right? So from resistance it got rejection, right? So this was the level whereby I will be opening my our long position from the upper side once it gets broken out and trace this one. All right. So I told you this one was the risky one, but high rewards. Okay. Over here, your stop loss towards the point whereby bulls get converted towards the bears. All right. But over here, if it happens to break below this one, just short. I'm going for the short on. All right. But right now, it can go all the way towards this one to take out. The advantage is to take out this people only, those who have shots from this level. All right. So if it happens to go out, then my short position, rather than going from here, I'll just try to plan from here. All right. Okay. Still over here, no problem. All right. Still have a chance to move on upper side. This is the level whereby, okay, if it happens to break below this block, otherwise my short will come from here. This will be all longs. All right. This was entry long over here. Okay. Risky trade, but at the right position whereby it converts the price towards the market, converts the price towards the bearish, whereby your risks is a little bit controlled because of the stop loss. All right. You have a small stop loss and big targets. That is, stop loss is just small. That is just 0.21, and your target is, you see, 0.7. That is 1 is to 3, right? One is almost 1 is to 3. Reduction, come down below this level. Let's go down. So it's not taking out the shots yet. So tomorrow it will take it out, maybe. Right? Tomorrow expect it. Right now it's not able to push the price from the resistance zone. Controlling the risks, controlling the risks. Okay. Not yet. Coming down. Let me get ready for the shots if it comes down. Come down, baby, come down, baby, come down, baby, come down, come down, come down. There is almost 0.791 percentage on the downside. Come on, BT, you can do it. It's playing, making a sideways move in this level right now. Only sideways move. Sideways move. Sideways move. It's not moving, guys. I just want to see this moves. It's getting bored, bored, bored. Great FOMO, brother. Yeah, do nothing when it's great FOMO. Right? Do nothing over there. Okay. Falling down. Let it close below. Okay, coming down. Let it close below. We have a big target over there. Taking some time. Okay, come down, baby. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Patience, patience. Coming down. Okay. Coming down. It's making sideways over here, guys. Sideways, sideways. But baby, Bitcoin is not coming down. Patience, guys, patience, patience. You need to have patience. It's not coming down. For the longs yet. Good for the longs yet. Baby is not coming down. Baby Bitcoin. Come down. Okay. Let me take one trader with you all. If it comes down, my first target towards this one, 79,579. Then my target next, this zone. What happened there? It's not moving, guys. Getting bored. It's 1 a.m. Come on, move it. Give you a shaky move. If it wants to move up, move up. One a.m. 1 a.m. Saturday is going to be boring this time. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Okay, coming down, coming down, 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 down. Want you to come down. Come down, baby. Boom, boom. Yes, come down now. One more step. Getting ready. Come on. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Getting ready. Let it close. Below. Come on. One more move. Hey, no. Come down, come down. Come down, baby. Yes. Oh, why is it got to reject it? Close it below. Not closing, not closing. Not yet. Let it close, guys. Let it close below. Yes. Boom. Come on. My TP1 over here. My TP2 on the downside. Okay. Close it. Close it below. Close it below. Close it below. Closing yet. Okay. Now my stop loss will be, I'll try to have a small stop loss and try to go down on a downside. That is going to be my stop loss in the zone, and maybe taking out tomorrow only. So 9,595. 9,595. Close it. Yes. 9,595. Hmm? 79,000. Let me take one. All right. Put your $9,600. Each one. Stop loss towards 80,213. Just taking a small risks. All right. Let's see if it gives us profit. I'll sleep after this one. All right. Nothing much. It have started creating a sideways, which I don't like at all on this level. Created one sideways move. Why is it going up now? Should be going down. Small sideways tomorrow. Sideways will be over here and Tomorrow sideways will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit boring, maybe. Okay. Let's wait patiently now. If stop loss hits, slip. If TP hits, slip. All right. It created lots of things over here. Right, a lot. Try to give us the FOMO. This is going to be 1:2 trade only. All right. 1:2 trade. Okay. Stop loss hit. TP hit. Go and slip. Wow. Not bad move. Broke down from this low. Retest. Done. Confirm the retest. SL hit, slip. TP hit, slip. One scalping taking with you all. Created a downside move, again moving an upper side. Like since it's moved down to 80,000 before yours. Is it? I don't know, brother. It is creating a downside move and it's moving upper side right now a little bit. Maybe pull back, right? Accents is better, right? Kaguru, Kaguru, Kagura, Kaguru. Where are you from, Kagura? Where are you from? It created moved 80,000 80,020 before it moves yours. Get that shot. Get that shot. If a downside move, here broken down, retest past. I don't like sideways. If it goes up again, and again it will be moved in the sideways move, guys. It should be moving down in these levels. All right. If it moves up, then it will create another sideways. Sideways where? Sideways will be here. All right. Let me show you all. If the market tries to remain inside this box, which is not good at all. All right. So tomorrow you might like to see price within this one. It shouldn't be staying inside this box. Again, it will try to create sideways. If it inside move gets inside, stay inside this box, it's very bad again. Again, it will take lots of time, and we need to sleep. Two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. I had to close my longs because of the triangle that's forming. Could break out anywhere to the yes, Mark. It will take out both the longs and short. This triangle patterns, this triangle patterns. You see, it will try to take out both the longs and short. I was expecting first to take out the uh, there is a possibility which side it will take out, we also don't know. It is a possible that price goes up from this level and try to take out all the shots from here as well, but I was also expecting that one, and I wanted to open a short position from the top, but that didn't happen right now. Again, rather than that, market tried to give a short position in this level. Okay, so we have lots of shots from here, so both side it will try to take out. Okay, longs, which side it is moving, we also don't know. All right, but the thing is, both longs and shorts it's going to take out from this triangle. All right, so lots of shots, short, long, 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 both sides it is going to take out. This for 100% sure. Okay, so this triangle is going to take out both the longs and shorts. Right now the market have given the opportunity for the shorts. All right, let's see what it does. All right, for a short time frame, that is on 1 minute, which can move the price 1 minute a little bit downside. Okay. Triangle is never good. It always tries to take out longs and shorts both most of the time. Let's see if this my trade gets SL or TPs, right? The position is given for the shots, all right, and let's see what it does, guys. Watch together. I couldn't hit full TP with just 80,300. Yes, maybe tomorrow it will try to give, not if not today, all right. So that can be, if it moves up, maybe the price will try to take out those short and try to move towards 80,820 maybe, right? That can be possible move on upper side. 80,820 can be possible move on upper side to remove all the shots. All right, there is also shots, those shots, and downside move. Maybe that can be 79,216 to take out all the longs, right? Those longs will be taken out, which we never knows which side it will be done first. Okay, so for now we're just taking advantage of small short position that is given on the 1 minute time frame, which can be very quick. What is your SL boss? Good evening. Right now I have kept my stop losses above above the price, around $80,213. $80,213. All right, very risky, but we are taking advantage of small setup that is in this level. All right, nothing financial advice on, guys. Okay, get bashed off, don't blame me. Right, this is what I feel right now, and my technical analysis is that. Okay, but the market is trying to take out both the stop loss for the longs as well as shorts. All right, so most probably we are trying to, I said, there can be possible move on upper side as well. All right, but it rather come down and created a short position whereby long position stop thinking about their long position right now, created the short position. We never knows it goes up and take out the longs as well, the shorts as well. It always tries to do that one. Okay, let's wait and see what it does. One move is left on the downside yet. Still this level well and good. Can't think about the longs right now. Absolutely no. 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 No, bro. No, bro. No. How come? Should get rejection and fall down. Patience, patience. We get position, patience, patience, patience. After position, patience, patience, patience. Guys, we don't want it to go back to the sideways box. If it gets SL hits heated, then again it will try to create a sideways box on these levels, which is not good at all, guys. Okay, sideways box over here. Let me try to clear this one. Triangle. If it remains, goes up and hit my SL, it's going to be sideways totally again. Okay, guys, which is going to take lots of time in this zone again, playing around. All right, gets rejection from here again inside this box. Let's see if it gets thrown a downside, well and good. Otherwise, we close this one, and if it gets rejection from here and tries to go up, we need to close this one, the short position, because again it will try to create sideways. Okay, if it moves downside directly, well and good. All right, just wait for one last move. It's to go down directly down. Otherwise, sideways you will expect sideways move in the zone. Hey, baby. learning. All right. Mark. All right. Learning towards long and higher chances we close long than short. Yeah, usually on this triangle pattern, it usually does that one. Tries to close, give the hope for the longs, move on the downside, give the hope for the shorts, move on upper side. Usually in triangle patterns. For people when they people what they does is usually they get free time during the weekends, right? Weekends they got a lot lots of free times, but during the weekends it will be always sideways move trying to remove you from the setups, and they'll think that the setups never work because they are not trying in a good days. All right, so this is already Saturday for me. 1:21 a.m. All right, Saturday. It shouldn't go back. It should fall down. Otherwise, it will get sideways again. This is trying sideways. Come down from this trend. Shouldn't go up from this trend. Now I will be moving myself towards $80,158. Okay, because if it happens to move up again, it is going to make sideways. So rather I get out of the trade, okay, from here. That is $80,163. $80,163. All right. We don't want sideways move. 80,100. How much was that? 80,160. Sideways move, we don't want it. Oh, our stop loss will be also quicker. We get out of the trade quicker. All right. And less risks. Less risks, how much? Less risks by. Previously, we had around 80,213, right? 80,213, which was almost 0.07 percentage. We are lacing it with a 0.071 percentage. $160. Okay, it should come down towards downside from here. Why? Because guys, why I'm making my stop loss small is in this level, because if it happens to go up and bash my stop loss again, it will try to make sideways in this level again, which will take another move whereby it will take out longs as well as short in the sideways. All right, this small levels it will try to break sideways, so we rather get out of, right, take TPs or get out of, rather than getting inside the sideways box, just get out of the trade. That's all. Also the uh, oil is dropping. While it's dropping, the order book is thinking along 79,500, meaning more buyers are excited their position out of frustrations. Mm. All right, good to research. That's nice, guys. Should be dropping down from here. No way. Nice. Too boring. I don't like trading in the kind of condition. Yeah, it becomes too boring. Correct, you're correct. This kind of conditions, usually in Saturday, you will see lots of these things only. Again, you won't get, right now, the volume is a little bit okay, right? In the Saturday, you get nothing. That will be too boring. Monday to Friday in a one direction move, that's better, right? That's better. Over here, you are risking also a lot because of this triangle patterns. Lots of SL is going to be heated, lots of, so you should be minimizing your risks as much as possible, guys, in this levels, right? As much as possible. Especially in the sideways, if you get sideways, then it's too boring, guys. Sideways, Saturday and Sunday usually you get sideways move. I don't like sideways at all. Maybe tomorrow we will be experiencing a good sideways move. Guys, tomorrow you will experience 100% for the sideways. Right now the sideways, this is on sideways only, guys. Bigger time frame also we are in sideways only. See generally. But over here price try to shrink it a little bit, right? Usually it doesn't fulfills when it's sideways usually. Perfect structures. Position giver for the shots, not moving for the shots. Hey, but checking on a 1 minute time frame should be very quick. So what time frame are you using, sir? Right now I am on 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. Just because like in a bigger time frame, I cannot trade at all because in a bigger time frame it's all sideways move. Only in a small this level I can take it. Small. So I need to wait for the scalping, just scalping only, small scalping, taking few dollars profit. Okay, small scalping. Trying to do for go for the small scalping, whereby I opened my long short position from here. I was waiting for the short position from here if it happens to give one directional moves, but it didn't couldn't give. Excuse me. So I'm trying to minimize my stop loss in the zone because one thing is if it happens to go up again, bash again, go up into this green box again, there will be a one sideways move which is going to make you all boring, right? Boring. So rather get out of this trade early and just close and sleep, right? Right now the setup is for the downside. Okay, broke down from this level. All right, broke down, this did the retest, again passed the retest, again once more got a rejection which is a downside move. All right. Let's see what it does. What, sir, what is the meaning of reversal? Reversal is when you are in downtrend, you are breaking out on upper side. Okay, so which means that is a reversal. You're changing the trend. That's all. If you are in bulls, you are getting back to the bears. Okay, that's called reversal. All right, you got it. What I mean. If you're in the bulls, right? Bulls going up, 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 then you got it back, right? The starting of the changing phase whereby the bulls got towards the bear, that point is called reversal point, right? Changing phase from bulls towards the bears, bears towards the bulls, right? That point. All right. Okay, going back, going to make sideways most probably, guys. Mhm. 5 minutes. Reversing it again. Okay. Mhm, mhm. This is making again going back to the sideways, guys. Just wait for my SL. If it goes back from this average point towards the upper side, again it will go for the sideways. Okay, just remember, sideways, if it goes for sideways, it's going to take lots of time more. Going back again, falling back. Takes times over here. Close my position over here. Couldn't get back from the sideways. Right, hobbies. Yeah, the only thing why I kept my position short SL over here is actually the position is given for the shots. Okay, if it happens to go back from this average point towards the upper side, then again it will make sideways and it keep playing over here. All right, which will take lots of time. So we just close over here, stop loss done, close it and sleep. Right. If it goes back from here, well and good. All right. Position is given for the shots. Breakout done, retest done. Okay. By setup, it should be moving down. If the market wants it to be sideways, then it goes up and again it's moving in the sideways move. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stretch, guys. Ah, okay, going back again. Going back. What pair are you trading? Dodgy. This is on Bitcoin, brother. Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin. Just about Bitcoin is about to turn its small time frame also inside the sideways. Yet small time frame also sideways. Oh, guys. How we will trade, guys, if we get small 1 minute time frame also inside sideways move, how we are going to trade it, guys? Bigger time frame already in a sideways, smaller time frame stuck. I'll subscribe to you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Dodgy. All right. I think SL will be gone again, going back to the sideways now. SL. This is my SL. We don't want sideways, sideways, sideways. Nobody, Bitcoin, no, no, no. Will hit SL. If it SL hits, no problem. But I don't want to hold for long. This is scalping session, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes only maximum I can hold. Otherwise, I need to close it. Better for me to get SL and get out of. Otherwise, you'll get sideways move. So it will come down, try to remove both, get a long sideways move like this, which is not good to write. Bekuda, bekuda, bekuda. One minute time frame, guys. This is scalping 1 minute, just 1 minute. I'm losing about 0.19 percentage on this level. Stop loss. We hit SL. Let it hit. Let it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Market move. Tricky, huh? Tricky. Move. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, let's sleep then. Let's sleep. Let's go, BT. I want to sleep. Oh. Sell coming. Who is using accents? See if SL is heated or not in your exchange. Okay, guys, so I don't know what's happening over the Bitcoin. It's not moving at all, guys. What happened? Bitcoin, what happened? 1 minute candle is not moving at all, guys. If it hits SL, I want to sleep. It's not letting me sleep. I just want to sleep. No volume, guys. Volume getting decreased now. It's not removing me very fast. Should be going like this, guys. If it goes back to this above this level again, it will go for the sideways. Better for a Bitcoin. If it doesn't want to go for the sideways, it should be coming to this level. That is $79,551. All right. So this is the level whereby Bitcoin should be going down rather than going up. Drop it. I sir. Closing now. Bitcoin is getting boring, boring, boring. Guys, it's too much. Bitcoin is not moving 1 minute candle at also not moving, guys. What's happening? We need to zoom it. Oh shit. Going back. Remove us early and go back. Okay, guys, so it's not moving much, not removing my SL as well. I'm not giving us TP as well. I'll let it flow. All right, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll check it this one, what it have happened. Okay, it have created the sideways move or not. All right, right now it's not removing my SL. All right, if it moves, I want to slip. All right, guys. So a little bit tricky, guys. Okay, just be careful in this triangle formation. It will try to take out both longs and short. In fact, right now the setup is given for the shorts only. All right, that setup is given for the shorts, but again, it is, if it happens to move up from this one, maybe you can expect the price to move in a sideways move. All right, if it gets directly down, then you might like to see the price around $79,554. All right, guys, this is what I think most probably. All right, we're getting back inside this average point in this box is like going for the sideways only. Okay, guys, it needs to come down to this level to expect the setup that we have right now. Okay, but we never knows what market will do. All right, most probably price should be coming down. Okay, Saturday I'll be coming a little bit late. Sundays you will have a plenty of time with me talking. All right, learning from each other. All right, okay. So most probably, if there is no sideways move, you can expect the price to come down. Nothing financial advice. Okay, guys, nothing financial advice. Make your own research before you move in. All right, guys, so that you guys are not bashed off. All right, okay. Just make your research before you move in. But most probably, whatever I know, I will be sharing with you all. All right, guys. Okay. Have a good time, guys. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow. Okay. I will be, my trade is still active. I will still hold the trade till my SL. All right. Because I respect myself. What you do, what you do. Okay. I respect my setup. How you are doing it. Close it early or wait for SL. Wait for TPs. All right. It's up to you. All right. So nothing financial advice. Manage your risks well. Take care. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow evening. All right.